Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on 3 products I absolutely love. Before we begin, we need to start with eye primer. Eye primer is so important for making our eyeshadows last all day long, keeping our shadows from creasing throughout the day, and helping our shadows become water resistant and stop us from rubbing it off throughout the day. All you need is a pea-sized amount, and you're going to rub this around on your eyes. You'll see in this example I am putting primer on my wrist, and I'm going to get some shadows from my Addiction Shadow palette, and you can see right on this example how highly pigmented the area is where you put the primer. Not only is the pigmentation stronger and more vibrant in this area, but I'm going to rub around on this product and you're going to see how it comes off everywhere else, but where the primer is, it stays. Watch this. So crazy, right? This is why primer is a must-have. We're going to be using the brand new Addiction Shadow Palette 6. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be starting with the shade Enthralled, and I'm going to be using my fluffy crease brush. This is our transition color. It's a nice medium color, and you want to always start with your brush on the outside of your eye because wherever you put your brush first is where there's going to be more pigmentation. I'm keeping my eye open and going back and forth in my crease to create a nice light transition shade. After I have applied my transition shade, I'm going to be using the crease brush to apply blazing in my outer corner. Now this is a little bit tricky to find this spot, but what I like to do is always start with my brush in the very corner of my eye and rub it along my lash line, and then I like to keep my eye open and go up the same crease where I put the transition shade. This will help me create an outer V, and by adding this color to the outer corner of my eye, it's going to add more definition to my eye shape and help make my eyes pop. Then I'm going to take my fluffy crease brush and bring this color inwards as well as blend in my transition shade. The blending brush is going to soften the eye as well as create a blurring effect between the two shades that will make it look seamless. Next, we're going to use the deluxe brush to use with the shade Lofty. This is a great brush because it's going to pick up the pigmentation of the glitter in the shadow, and all we have to do is press this on. We want to put this shade underneath our transition color, so underneath the crease, and we just want to kiss the outer V that we have created. This is going to be our lid shade, and it's going to help make our eyes pop. Last but not least, we're going to take the same deluxe brush and go in with the shade Calm. This is a nice highlight color to put on our inner corner of our eye to help brighten the look of this eye look and make our eyes pop. We're also going to take this shade and put it just underneath our eyebrows to create an arch and highlight that area even more. We're going to finish off this look with our pencil eyeliner. I absolutely love this pencil eyeliner. It's smudge proof and it's waterproof, so it never transfers up onto your eyelid. I like to use small brush strokes back and forth over the lash line to create a nice solid thin line. And the last final touch on our eyes is going to be my favorite mascara. I am obsessed with this mascara. It lengthens my lashes to a huge extreme. It curls them and it never clumps. This stuff is absolutely magic, and you can now get it in black waterproof, or brown. The last and final product we're going to be talking about today is our amazing Splash Lipstick. When you apply this lipstick, you want to make sure you brush off all the product before applying it. You want absolutely nothing on your brush. Then you're going to take the curved side of the brush and wipe this on the bottom lip using the very fine tip to get the edge of your lip. And then all you're going to do is press your lips together. This will transfer the product up to the top of your lip, and then all you need to do is do your top lip bumps, as I like to call them, and really make your lips look fuller by doing this. This will allow your lipstick to stay all day long. And that's our final look, the All Eyes on Me, using an Addiction Shadow Palette 6, eyeliner, mascara, and splash. You can get this for a limited time on sale, and you get to choose your choice of colors in all 3 products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to Makeup Academy 101.